Hello, and welcome to another crucial lesson in our R&D course. Today, we're going to dive into the process of creating a structured research and development framework. A well-designed framework is the backbone of successful innovation in your business. Before we delve into the steps, let's understand why a structured R&D framework is essential. First, a framework provides a clear roadmap for your R&D efforts, ensuring that they align with your business goals. It helps to allocate resources efficiently and prevents wastage on projects with low potential. A structured approach ensures that your R&D efforts are consistent over time, regardless of team changes or market shifts. Now, let's explore the key steps involved in creating a structured R&D framework. First, clearly define what you aim to achieve through R&D. Are you seeking to develop new products, improve existing ones, or enhance operational processes? Second, evaluate the resources available for R&D, including budget, manpower, facilities, and technology. Step 3, create a process for generating ideas and then prioritize them based on their potential impact and alignment with your goals. Step 4, conduct a thorough analysis of the most promising ideas to determine their feasibility in terms of technical, financial, and market aspects. Step 5, allocate resources based on the prioritized ideas. This includes the budget, the personnel, and the facilities. Step 6, implement the project according to a structured plan. This involves design, development, testing, and refining. Step 7, thoroughly test the developed concepts or prototypes. Gather feedback and make necessary adjustments. Step 8, based on the results of testing, make informed decisions on whether to proceed with the project, iterate, or discontinue. Step 9, successfully implement the refined concept into the market. This involves the marketing, the sales, and the distribution.